Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2018. This is question number 16, actually question number 2 of first paragraph of paper 1. This question is from the topic circles, one very important topic for JEE Advanced. Let us see what this question is. Let S be the circle in xy plane defined by equation x square plus y square equal to 4. Then additional information for this question, let P be a point on the circle S with both coordinates being positive. Let the tangent to S at P intersect the coordinate axis at points M and N. Then midpoint of the line segment MN must lie on the curve. We are given option A, B, C, D. Let us first solve it, then we will check which is correct option. So the diagram should look like this, because we are given this P point is having both coordinate positive, so it will be in first quadrant, and it is meeting x-axis, y-axis at M and N. And we need to find the locus of midpoint of Mn, or if we can say we have to find on which curve this midpoint of Mn must lie on. So to find it, we have two approaches. The first approach can be that we start with midpoint of this Mn. So if I take Q to be h comma k, which is midpoint of Mn, then I think we can write M to be 2h comma 0 and N to be 0 comma 2k, because this h comma k is midpoint and M lies on x-axis, N lies on y-axis. So from midpoint formula directly we can write this. So the equation of line Mn will become by intercept from x upon 2h plus y upon 2k is equal to 1. Now this line is tangent to this circle whose center is at origin and radius is 2. Center is at origin and radius is 2, which means if we draw perpendicular from this C point, okay, that should be equal to radius, which is nothing but 2. So using that formula of perpendicular distance from a point, it will become 1 upon root over 1 upon 4h square plus 1 upon 4k square, and this will be equal to 2. Okay, so if we take if we do the cross multiplication, I think we will get root over 1 upon h square plus 1 upon k square is equal to 1. After doing squaring, we will get h square plus k square equal to h square into k square, or you can write this as x square plus y square equal to x square into y square. So this is the answer that should be the locus on which this midpoint must lie. Let us see what options they have given. So x square plus y square equal to x square into y square. So I think D must be correct. Okay, now let us try to do this question by another method. Now I will start by taking first P point, which I can take as 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta, parametric form. Okay, and then equation of, let me call this as method 2, equation of tangent at P will be x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to 2. It is actually given by directly t equal to 0. 2 will be common, so we can write directly like this. Now this line meeting x-axis at M, y-axis at N, so we can write coordinate of M also by putting x y equal to 0. So this M will be 2 upon cos theta comma 0, and this N point will be 0 comma 2 upon sin theta. So their midpoint Q, let us say h comma k, we can write this h will be 1 upon cos theta and this k will be 1 upon sin theta using midpoint formula. Okay, so to eliminate theta, I think the best approach is we will be doing cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1 upon h square plus 1 upon k square is equal to 1. Okay, now let me do this calculation in this corner. If I take LCM, we will get h square plus k square equal to h square into k square. So replacing h by x and k by y, we get same answer which we got in our previous method also. Okay, so we can check D is the answer for this question. So this completes the solution of this question. I hope you like this. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.